The Samsung Galaxy S24 series, the latest upcoming offering from the tech giant, is set to revolutionize the way users interact with social media. A new feature was revealed by Alessandro Palazzi on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter. Suggests that Instagram will be directly integrated into the lock screen of these devices. This integration is expected to provide users with quick and easy access to Instagram's camera, enhancing the overall user experience. Currently, the lock screen of Samsung devices is reserved for system apps, with a few exceptions. These apps include those for music, weather, alarms, and routines. The introduction of a social media widget on the lock screen is a significant departure from this norm. It represents Samsung's recognition of the central role that social media plays in the lives of its users. Samsung also wants to attract social media influencers to the S24 Ultra. The Instagram shortcut is expected to be part of the One UI 6.1 update. This update is likely to be launched alongside the Galaxy S24 series. The integration of Instagram into the lock screen is a clear indication of Samsung's commitment to providing a seamless and integrated user experience. It also underscores the company's willingness to innovate and adapt to the changing needs and preferences of its users. Upon opening Instagram for the first time after the update, users are expected to encounter a pop-up. This pop-up will request access to the Instagram camera. Once access is granted, a More Options button will appear in the middle of the screen. This button will provide users with additional features and functionalities, further enhancing their Instagram experience. The integration of Instagram into the lock screen is not just about providing quick access to the camera. It is about transforming the way users interact with their devices. It is about recognizing that for many users, social media is not just an app, but an integral part of their daily lives. By bringing Instagram to the forefront, Samsung is acknowledging and catering to this reality. In conclusion, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series promises to deliver an enhanced user experience. The integration of Instagram into the lock screen is just one of the many innovative features expected to be introduced. As we await the launch of the Galaxy S24 series and the One UI 6.1 update, one thing is clear: Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation, delivering products that are not just technologically advanced, but also in tune with the needs and preferences of its users. What do you guys think of this new upcoming feature? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.